Welcome to What's in the Pot. I'm your host Sean Grande, and today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious salmon using this Kinder's Master Salt Blend and my Instant Pot air fryer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's What's in the Pot. Thank you very much for tuning into What's in the Pot. So for today, I'm using 2 pieces of wild-caught Alaskan salmon. Now I'm using this Master Salt Blend. It has garlic, sea salt, and butter. It's also USD organic. Now you can use this on beef, chicken, pork, and veggies, but I really like that garlic and butter flavor that you're getting from the Kinder's Master Salt Blend that I'll be using on the salmon. You can see it doesn't have all those extra additives as some of the other seasonings that you normally get. It's very nice, full of that buttery flavor, nice little chunks of that dry garlic. It brings out the flavor, especially with salmon. I'm telling you right now, you got to cop yourself some of this and put this on your salmon. Now I'm putting this on my salmon. Now, not too much, but not too little. If it was beef or pork or chicken, I'd be putting a lot more. But salmon, you also want to taste the freshness and the flavor of the fish. And what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of just rub this in. Normally, if it's meat, you just kind of leave it on and let that be coated on. But you just want to rub it in lightly just to kind of get that flavors absorbed into the meat. You can see here all the flavors, all the seasonings are kind of soaking in to that piece of salmon. Now I'm going to be using my Instant Pot. Now this is my Instant Pot air fryer top. I got this from Amazon. Instant Pot actually sells their own brand like it. It's pretty much the same thing. Now you have the tray at the bottom, and then this is our basket. What we're going to be doing is putting our salmon in the basket and then putting it in, and that creates that convection oven air fryer method. Now I'm going to spray this with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray, because you want to make sure that you don't want the bottom of the salmon to stick up to the bottom. Once you put that on, we're just going to place our pieces of salmon in there and then pop the lid on. The lid for this is actually what we plug in. We don't need to plug in the Instant Pot. We just plug the lid in because the top is where the air fryer is. I'm going to set this to 425 degrees and cooking it at 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, we're going to go ahead and check our salmon. Now, you don't need to cook it too long, and I really like how this air fryer cooks because it keeps it nice and juicy, keeps it nice and moist. Sometimes in the oven, the temperature can swing, and it could also cause your salmon to dry out. So let's take a little piece of this salmon. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a close-up on how beautiful and delicious the salmon looks. And it's still juicy. It's not dry, and that's the worst thing is you can have dry salmon. So thank you very much for tuning into What's in the Pot. Shout out to Kinder's for sending me this beautiful Master Salt Blend. You can check your local retailers to cop that. Till next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.